where do you see sustainability education in, say, 10 years out? 25 years? 50 years? And where's that vision coming from?
Well, I'd certainly say that sustainability, as much as it is up and coming, it still has a considerable way to go. Right now, we're starting to see sustainability taking place more at an independent scale. And so I would say you would find more sustainability curriculums and programs and clubs happening at, say, private schools or charter schools. You're definitely going to find it in public schools, but it's not going to be a real strong mainstay of a public institution. You might find the science teacher that incorporates a week-long unit or two here and there, or maybe in a social studies class. You might find a science teacher that has a sustainability club after school. So it's not yet quite part of the main curriculum. You are starting to find more public schools that are STEM oriented, which is science, technology, engineering, math, that are starting to incorporate more of sustainability principles into, say, their engineering programs, maybe like biotechnology programs, or even a program such as ESSEL. But those are really, at this point, quite few and far between. I would say 10 years out, as the demand for the industry of, say, renewable technology and smart energy use and, say, like green architecture, as those start to expand, you're going to start to see that being reflected in, say, more of the career and technical education programs in public education. I mean, it's hopefully one of those things where you start to see the industry expand. You'll see the public education ability to teach those skills also expand as well. But I think for the more theoretical components of sustainability, you're going to be allowing a lot more access within public and charter school arenas. And so I'm estimating we're going to see, within the next 10 to 20 years, more of the public ed and the private sectors to really embrace this. And unfortunately, I see public education going to be kind of slower to grasp just because the more legislature, more litigation, and just kind of more hierarchical structure makes it more antiquated and slower to produce those results. And so if I were to say full-blown sustainable education implementation within the public school system, we're probably a good 30, 40 years out. Hopefully by 50 years, sustainability will be a mainstay, or hopefully the issue of sustainability will have been resolved by then, and we can just kind of go into making that more of the norm of how to live a healthy, sustainable lifestyle.